Welcome to the first episode of 3 Minutes COMnext, where you learn some essential com skills within 3 minutes. Brought to you by Department of Media and Communication, CDU. Oh hi, this is me, and I'm in love with this photo, the environment, lighting, and my posture is just right. Well, I was about to post it on my socials until I see this annoying object that's sprouted out of my head. I know, you all know this. Among all the photos we picked, there's always a stupid object or random people behind. But don't worry, you'll be able to fix this in Photoshop within a minute. So first, say hi to Photoshop. Yes, here's the unwanted. And what do we do here is to get the lasso tool, zoom in, and select the area covering our enemy object. Yes, drag around it, and then you get a selected area. Next, what you want to do is to jump to Edit and click Content Aware Fill. This way, the Photoshop AI will help us to fill in the gap using the context around that area, and boom, how smart it is. You simply click Apply and OK. There you go. But anyways, sometimes the Content Aware Fill couldn't be that so well aware. It could be a complicated area where two or more objects get intersected or tangled. So here it's better to use the clone stamp tool. So click on it, cater the size and opacity to your need. Then you'll have to press Alt or Option on your keyboard, then select a context you want to copy. Then click on areas you want to apply to or copy to. So after that, no one will know that the object ever existed on your photo. Hope this is helpful and you can play around with the two tools that we introduced you today, even within 2 minutes. So if you like these easy tips, please subscribe to our channel and newsletter to get more exclusive contents. Follow us on social media and comment what you want to learn next. Until next time, peace.